Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this expired subscription, read only, trial ends in, any errors that you are having in Autodesk Fusion. Okay, now I am assuming at this point that you have already done this part, which was updating an Autodesk account in here. This allows you to set up your credentials. This gives you an Autodesk verification. There's a video here that you need to follow to make sure that Autodesk recognizes you. Once you have that, this is the last step to get rid of that message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Autodesk Fusion, and it has an expired subscription read only. I'm going to come up here and I am going to click on expired subscribe now. I'm going to click on subscribe now, which I have a message there. That is then going to take me to the Autodesk website. Mallory is already logged in. If it doesn't say hi and your first name, please hit sign in. Once you've done that, you're going to scroll down to Fusion 360 and you're going to click on Get Product. At that point, it's going to change to a screen that looks like this, and it'll have Access. You're going to click on Access. And then what happens at this point, it doesn't actually download the Fusion 360 program, but downloads to what Autodesk refers to as a token, which as you can see is being downloaded on the screen here, Fusion 316 client, .exe. And once that is downloaded, all you need to do is click on Fusion 360, and it should drop that message. If this doesn't work, please email me and let me know, especially those of you on quarantine. We certainly want to be able to do this, but this is what we are Monday turned into. I was hoping to do constraints, but we will do sketch constraints tomorrow in class. Quarantiners, be sure to tune in. I'll screencast everything, so it'll be relatively easy. But really, Monday's task is getting rid of that message that says read only or whatever, and getting it to where it says educational license. Thank you. Bye.